No band, no ride. Bottoms up to the uplift. The band. Cheers, man. Cotswold Gold Barn. What? This bad boy. Just alright, this. What? Suspension's a bit sore. Oh, legs feel like jelly. A bit wall away. Okay, now what? Morning tyres. Maybe. I rode anything like this. A couple of clicks. High speed, low speed. Compression. 2 clicks.
Starving already.
Blue Raccoon. A couple more clicks on suspension. Yeah, that's better. Woo. Oh, miles better. Or am I better? Warmed up. Should be good at corners by end of today. Whoa, flat. It's the longest blue, is it, this one?
Oh yeah.
Have you been down this one? Yeah. Alright.
It's like twice as long as the one straight.
Okay. Twice as long. Wow, drop on a blue. Yep. Tight. Push into these corners. Yep. Wow. Slowing fast out. Yep. Whoa. Oh, wind. It's long. Finito. Maybe 1 or 2, but nice, yep. Whoop. Oh, see. Didn't make the landing. Whoop. Ah, okay. Whoop. Okay, pretty big. Yep. Oh. Oh, not quite. Oh, it's like a 90 at end, isn't it? Nice one. Did we skip 2 red? 2 red. Oh. Technical features: burn steeper, rocky sections, general rougher surface terrain. You guys know where that kinky hose is? Is that higher up?
I think it bears off one of these, doesn't it?
Have a good one, lads.
Cheers,
Igneous. Techie. Whoop. Wop. Goes into 1 here. Weird. They're supposed to jump then into rocks. Drop. Oh, case. That landing comes out of nowhere. Igneous. Oh, no one said out about this. So there's a few sections that start higher than the drop off. Gonna miss my bus at this rate. Oh, so cheese roller even has a section. Maybe come up for ginger nut, have a look at Superfly. Kinky house into missing link. Kinky house runs parallel to Igneous at this point. And then joins Igneous, yeah. Here we go. So, missing link. Don't know what that one is. And then joins back up with Ignis again. Oh, what is this? Like rock jumps into rocks. Smooth again, fast, and then small rock section. Started pedalling up for it, that section. Thought I'm going to miss my bus. Pinball Wizard. Join into dual slalom. So that says, oh, is it that one then? Yeah, it will be. Yeah, nice one. This bad boy's like. Try and remember to peel off onto dual slalom with no mate. Whoop. Bridge. Whoa. Oh, fuck. Up. Slow in, fast out. That is what? That is dual slalom. Yeah, boy. Oh, that's grass. Complex gap jumps. Some medium to large technical features. Flyup around. Sketchy start. None of these gaps. Up. Woo. Rock garden. Oh, pick your way. Oh yeah. Whoop. Try and squeeze another uplift in. Oh, is he going to tell me he's stopping for dinner? You squeezing another in?
Yeah.
Ah, sound. Super fly. At least the tech. Back off another couple of clicks. 2 clicks faster. And low speed, 1 click back off. Which way? I should have looked at the map. Oh. Gap. Fancy landing in that. Whoop. Come on. Yeah, they're big boys. Draw them in anyway. Closed off. Like how we're going to do it anyway. Whoop. High road. Seats bent. Oh well, stopping for lunch. So drop in. Yep. Up. some work done. Oh, fuck. Straight in the rut. Wet through. What? The gap? That rock. Oh, my feet don't feel right now. My foot in right place. Around this hard bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. What's that joined to then? I've done this bit. Not much. So where does that go? Oh, okay. Hopped onto this red. Get this in. Return track. Use push-up path. What have I done here? It's the right trek. I should have just finished in car park. Oh well. Somehow get this pump track in maybe. Have a little blast. Knock the shock off. Yep. Whoop. Should have come in here to warm up. Oh, feels a bit big this bike. Oh. Tricks. Right, uplift, stop for lunge. Maybe get some little clips, save a bit of time. Considering lay of the land, Cotswold Gold or whatever it's called, that side, main road goes up to the right of those, and that, I think there might be two reds as well. And then this is the cheese roller, the longest blue is on the other side. Right, and then this, so I'm riding up parallel to that. Got jumps on Superfly there. Ah, front wheels nearly coming up. Definitely worth uplift. Not sort of elevation you'd get at Bike Park Wales or anywhere like that, but if you want to enjoy it, save your energy for downhills. So what we got coming off the push-up side of this blue cheese roller, 3 blacks. Oh shit. Whoa. Can't just wait for uplift. It's starting to rain. Might as well go all the way up now. What's that tech on then? Is that the black? A bit of big rocks. Well, I'm at the highest point. Might be worth having a look at this anyway before I ride it. What's this like? Oh my god. Going off that with as little air as possible. I don't know what's worse. Whoop! Bottom bracket. Oh, is that a sender? Doesn't look like it. But if it is, not for a long time. Superfly drop. Yeah, it is. Like no one's done it for a while. Any more big rocks? Oh, roots. Wop wop. One at Blacks, come down that. What's this? Is that the actual Superfly? Getting dug, getting a new trail. Ask him in cafe. That's a shame about that. I'm sure I put that in Planet Bike Park as well. That's everything done except this top section of Ginger Nut. Ginger Nut top section. Lucky last bit. Well, that was pathetic. Straight over it. round it. Let the bike do the work. Yep, trials in. The stout rocks, but not mud. Steep. Oh shit. Where'd you go there then? Left. Over there. With another pop. Including this one. Come on, baby. Let it roll. Whoa. Yep. Yep. Keep the flow going. Whoa. Call that a gap, I suppose. If you want. Drop. Rock garden. Take a different line. Nice one. Flyup 417.